Hey guys, in this video, um, I will be teaching you how to create a Gmail account without the need of phone verification. So in order to do this, you will need an existing email address. So I'm gonna head over to Google and go to Gmail and create an existing Gmail. Let's go to Gmail sign up. So here's where you created your Google account. This is the URL you go to. And yeah, open Chrome. Preferably you would use a VPN on Chrome just to protect your identity whenever making a Gmail account so they can't trace you back. So there you can just click protect me and it will put your location to Netherlands, Singapore, United Kingdom or United States. So right now my location is United States, but I'll change to Singapore. And then you can just refresh this. So it's refreshed. And look, as you can see the phone thing has changed to Singapore, but we don't need to worry about that right now. So on the first name and last name, you would preferably want to put Steve Jobs or a name of a person that is quite famous. And over here you would put a random email address. In this case we're going to put random botnet 1123, and you want to create a password. This could be anything, so any 8-digit password will do. You just need to confirm that in the confirm your password column. And then birthday, just make it fake as possible. Put 1st of January, doesn't matter, 1990. And you can lie about this if you want to, but I'm male, so let's do it as male. Mobile phone, don't need to worry about this at all. Current email address, just put the current email address in. So in this case, my other email address is this, just a random email address that you know is working and stuff. And this, what I suggest you do is you create a Hotmail address and put it here instead of a Gmail address, because a Hotmail address does not require phone sign up at all, and you can remain anonymous, so Gmail doesn't have a link to any of your personal identity at all. So you can skip this verification, but in this case we can't skip it because we don't want to verify the phone, because it says phone verification may be required. So if we skip this, then we'll have to put a phone number here, but we don't want to do that at all because we like our privacy. So put in what it says here. Over here it says 699, so we're gonna put that in. Location Singapore, you can change your location to wherever you want. I'm gonna keep mine as Singapore. Just tick this, you agree to the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, blah. And if you do, make it anonymous. Don't put your own photo on it and be a retard, please. So click no thanks for this. Blah blah. And you have a right to be secure. This is in no way illegal. You have a right to remain anonymous on the web. So then you just click the next step. As you can see, Google Chrome asks you to save your password. You can if you want to. In this case, I won't. And don't create a profile photo. And it says your email address is randombotnet1123@gmail.com. Thank you for creating a Google account. You can use it to subscribe on YouTube, video chat, free. So yeah, Google accounts can be used for Google Search, Gmail, Chrome, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Play, and to Google. So Google Plus. So let's get started. This is all of your account for Google. So you can review your account settings, and really you don't need to protect your account. I mean, if you forget your password or anything, phone verification is not really needed. To be honest, I don't think you will forget your password, and even if you do, I don't think you'll care, because it's not an email you actually care about, it's a botnet email. So yeah, to get started, and you should be redirected here. It's asking you to do all of this stuff. Skip all of this. Just say everything looks good, done, continue. And there's nothing much more to do here. So what you do is that you can just go to Gmail. So just type in Gmail onto the Chrome URL box. And it should load your Gmail successfully. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account and link a VCC to that PayPal account. So what we do is first we need to add a PayPal account. So we open up Chrome or the browser you have, and make sure that your proxy is turned on. So this is using Browser. So we're going to turn this on right now, and we can choose what location we want to go to. So in this case we're in the Netherlands, so we'll keep it like that. And then you want to go to PayPal. So let's log into PayPal. And what you want to do, you want to sign up for a business account. Make sure it's a business account. This is so that you can get paid by people who don't have a PayPal account, and you can receive money through that. And please enter your email address. So in this case we're going to enter the email address that we made in the previous tutorial. So this was randombotnet123@gmail.com, whatever. Okay, click continue. As you can see, it says already have a PayPal account. So I'm not open a new account with a different email address. This is open up another account. In this case we'll use another email that no one else uses. So this is an email that's sort of anonymous. put in your desired password, so you're going to put whatever you want here. Make sure to match, obviously. About your business, you can lie about this again. I'm going to keep with the Steve Jobs famous people's name and stuff like that. Call the business name whatever you want to do. In this case, I'm going to call my business name Preddy. Business phone. Now with a business phone, what you can do at the moment is, if you head over to fake name generator, you can put in a random business email, so gender random. You can change this person to whatever you want it to be, so it's to England, Wales, UK, generate. There's a UK phone number, blah blah blah. Just random stuff. So in this case we'll use this phone number. This is so take the 0 out because it's +44. This is so that they can't track you. It's just a number that doesn't exist, to be honest. Business address, match it up with this if you can, if you want to. So the business address over here is 44 Cambridge Road, North Trafford, blah blah blah. So let's put that in. So that's 44 Cambridge. So must be 53HE. There we are. Just make sure you take this. So take that's required, and just review it. Make sure everything's as you road, North Charford. So let's just put this town as Charford. County, there is no county here, but not to worry, we can make that up right here. So we're going to put Cambridgeshire and put the postcode in SB5 3H I want it to be. So Steve, blah blah blah, agree and continue. And I wants to ask you, what about computer network services, whatever you need about your business. So in this case, you want to be private company, business category. I would say you would put if you look down here, the recommended one I'd say is services. Subcategory, not really a big one, to be honest. You could just put graphic design or something. That I think design is the best sort of thing, or computing services. I guess put graphic and commercial design. Act like this is a real business when it's not. You can make an website and put that in here if you want, but in this case you don't need to. So you could continue. Now with this, you just put a random date of birth in. In this case, we're going to put 01/01/1990, so 1st of January 1990. Home address is the same as the business address. You can put that if you want to. That will make it life a bit shorter. Or you can put another different address if you want to, say put 32 Sherwood Avenue, whatever, town, city, guild, Ford, whatever, county, Cambridgeshire again, postcode CN11 5TH. Click continue. So this is how you would want to get paid. So you say, I would say you want to get paid in person. So this is some other mobile stuff you don't need to worry about. Additional setup. What you can do, you can link your bank account to here. So you got your sort code and your bank account number. We'll get onto that later. Now you want to confirm your email address to activate your account. So if you go to Gmail and just sign into this account we have, so I'm just going to get into sometimes it will do this, it'll ask you for a phone number and stuff, but you can even, if you have a recovery email address, you can do that to verify that it's you. So in this case, I've made so many accounts with the same sort of similar username, so that stuff should work. And I have access to my Gmail. So if it says just confirm the email, just click this link to confirm the email. And you can enter your PayPal password. Over here, it's actually entered in for me, so I don't need to worry about that. And yeah, we've got that all set up. You've confirmed the email address, so you're able to accept payments from other users. This is really important if you do need to receive payments. So yeah, that's that. You can make a business name clear, whatever, confirm the business name. You can move money more easily with a bank account, we'll get onto that later again. Can lift limits, so blah blah blah, all of this stuff. Just that's how you create a business sort of PayPal account. Now if we move on how to create a PayPal account just by not Singapore, we want to go to Gmail, sign out of this one. I'm going to create another Gmail account so you can make a personal PayPal account this time, and with the personal one you can add a VCC to it. So we're going to add an account, we're going to create an account. This one's going to be, I'm going to put Ryan Reynolds, whatever, and we're going to put botnet guy 112, create another password, confirm the password, and with a month, keep it with January 01, 1990. Say your mail, your current email address, just put, and you can agree to this terms of service and click next step. Now it says you need to verify the account before going on it. So in this case, we are going to go to... Guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had a bit of technical issues getting my app store to work on my iPhone, but I finally got it to work. So we left off where we tried to verify a phone number to create a Gmail account, and we really don't want to use our own actual phone number, or maybe the amount of times you used your actual phone number has gone over. So in this case, what we can do is we can get an app called Text Me for the iPhone. So let me just bring up my iPhone screen. Hopefully it should pop up soon. Yeah, I was having difficulty getting this up before. And it seems to be doing the same thing again. Oh, there it is. So here we have my iPhone screen. So we're going to go to this app called Text Me, and you want to sign up, and it should take you to this page. So you just want to put your name in there. So just put any name you want, and with the email address you can put in the random botnet one we used last time. In this case, I'm going to use the one I've used previously in the previous tutorial. How old I am, just put any age. I'm going to put 45. Phone number, now in this case, I don't think you need to put that in. Just leave that like that and click create my account. So don't allow it to access your contacts if you don't want it to be if you don't want it to be part of anything, and don't allow it to use a microphone. So this is Text Me. So what this allows you to do is allows you to make calls to anyone, anywhere, and you can earn credits. So in this case, your number is there. As you can see, my number is 07148328138. So if we enter that there, so we live in the UK. In this case, it will be 74183281138, and you want to receive a text message rather than a call. So just click continue. And it says this phone number cannot use for verification, and use voice call. This phone number cannot use for verification. Bloody zero. Put a 0 in front of it. Continue. Yes, it does not work for some reason. Try and get it to work. 1 second. No thanks. Box 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, sign up now. Just move this down here. Google has put security on their account verification thing for this. So this method did used to work before, but unfortunately, having another problem, it's not working again. So what I recommend you do is create a Hotmail account instead of a Gmail account, as you could use this method for Hotmail as well. So if you go to Hotmail, you can just put in random stuff like ramen, fried. Username is 0 anything, so .net.mms at outlook.com. Oh, let's change botnet MMS to 1123 again. Outlook.com. Password. Put anything you want here. Make sure you enter it correctly. Country, region. You don't have to put the one you're in, but in this case I'll keep it as United Kingdom. Change this to whatever you need to change it to, as long as it's over 18 preferably. Gender, male, whatever gender you are. Phone number, put the one we have on TextMe. So the one on TextMe is 7128138. So alternative email address is, it can be that botnet one we made on Gmail. So Gmail sometimes doesn't require phone number verification, but sometimes it does, and it's really hard to bypass that. So for P6DP5, create the account. And just like that, you have a working email account that has nothing to do with your personal body. Alright. So with that working email account in there, we can go ahead and create a get our email address. So that email address was the random botnet 1123 at outlook.com. I don't think it was random, I think it was just botnet. Let's just check to see if that's true. Let's go to our profile. Oops, where is this? Oh, I know it's botnet, says up here, botnet 1123. So it should be that. Password, create one. Jesus. For Steve Jobs, date of birth 0101 1990, address line 1, go to fake name generator and obtain a fake address. Let's go to Russian, whatever. maybe Igbo or Hungarian, whatever you want. United Kingdom, generate. This is the address at 26 Russell Road. So 26 Russell Road. Postcode in this case is RG42QL, so put RG42QL. Town City. Let's call it Hatch. So in this case it's 747418328 32838. Confirm this, agree and continue. Check your postcode. Doesn't look right. We'll just keep it as something already there. And agree to continue. Now in this case you want to add the card you want to pay with. So here's where you create a virtual bank, a virtual credit card. So in this case we're going to use Neteller.com. Neteller is a website. I'm going to put this proxy on. Just change it to United Kingdoms. We're going to enter our Outlook email address, which is botnet1123 at outlook.com. Botnet123 at outlook.com. Country of residence, United Kingdom. Region can be anything. We'll put Cumbria and the PayPal, so we'll put it in here. Desired account currency, this can be whatever you want. In this case, put it as British pound. Click continue. And now you need to put all of this stuff in. So first name, put it as Steve Jobs, like always. Steve Jobs. Street address, you can put the one you have in the fake name generator if you want to. So you can put 26 Russell Road, which is right there. And all of this stuff will be auto filled out for you if you have Google Chrome on. If not, make sure you match the 1st of January 1990, I believe. So let's get to that. There we are. Password, just create a password. Confirm that password. Security question. This could be anything you want. In this case, I'm just gonna put random stuff here. Favorite school teacher, Mr. Gay. Best childhood friend, Stevie. And then click continue. So this is important. I mean, if you want to always have access to your virtual, just see all this stuff. So yeah, you've got all of this account credentials and account ID and secure ID, and then you can view your account. So record these credentials in a safe place. So just go up to sign in. And you've got your bank account and stuff, your details. You can do Net Plus cards. So you only get a virtual prepaid virtual card. And yeah, you need to put in that number you have in your Teller Secure ID. So go to account, it should be there. So retrieve it. It said it's been sent to the email, so check our email. And there it is, requested account information. So retrieve it at that link. So just sign in with it. So that's the ID, just copy that if you want to, secure ID. And you can go back here and join an innate virtual card. Create a virtual card. Card name. Continue. And yeah, you have your card right there. So go to your account. And then we can go and see where our card is at. So in this case, our NetPlus card is here, card number and stuff like that is there. How to view it. We can put that over here, so we're just gonna copy this card number, copy. And this doesn't allow you to paste it, unfortunately, so we've got to enter it in manually. So it's 5415 5415 9170 9170 9069 9069 and then 1620 1620. Expiry date is the 5th, so 05/18. CSC is the same as CVC, so it's 165. 165. And add your card. Yeah. So you're all set. So you can either sell something, buy something, transfer money, or yeah. So blah blah blah. You can shop on different websites with your PayPal, but the main thing is you've got your account. So just go to account at the top. Yeah, there's your account. So if you look at profile, my money, you just see the stuff on the account. Merchant services, request money, send money. Yeah, you've linked a virtual credit card, which is this one, to your account, your PayPal account, and it's working fully. There's actions. So I hope you guys got this, and if there's any questions, please please feel free to ask in the comments on the forum. And go back in this video. It is quite a long video. You can go back to where you may think you got stuck. So yeah, feel free to do that. Later on I'll be teaching you how to create how to jailbreak your phone. Now, a jailbreak is not out for iOS 8.3 just yet, but what jailbreak enables you to do is spoof your phone ID, so you can spoof the number and call other people from other people's phones numbers. So let's say your friend has some other friend when it's actually you. So that stuff's quite cool. I'll show you that if a jailbreak comes out for the iPhone, because right now my iPhone is on 8.4 beta. And if you're wondering how I get to record my screen, iPhone screen, I use something called Reflector. So Reflector 2. It's not free, but I'm running a trial at the moment. You can get it free, cracked, on the Pirate Bay. And I can tell you how to get on the Pirate Bay. A working proxy for the Pirate Bay right now is piratebay.host. That's working. It's not controlled by the FBI, do not worry. Go to Reflector, type that in. There is Reflector. These are Mac applications, but these are the ones for Windows that you can get. And if that doesn't work, type in Air Squirrels, which is basically the same thing. Fully working. I'll try and figure out a fix on how to get that Gmail account to work without verification. Now, another thing that is quite big in this industry is the Polish bank account details. So the Polish cards used to verify PayPal. So to verify PayPal, people use BZ Polish cards. So if we type that in, deep.web is a really good source to check this out. And it gives you an insight on how to get a particular person. So this, in the deep.web, there's a step-by-step instruction on what to do. So a guide on how to register your PayPal. Once you've ordered your Visa card via post, it should come. And this is a guide on how to register the card. I'll make a tutorial on how to do this soon, but not just not now. And yeah, remember, you've got to remain anonymous in here. You have to make sure that they can't track you down. So another really powerful VPN that is free is UltraSurf. UltraSurf in the zip file. That should load soon. Sorry about the background noise. It's opening. We've got an opened File Explorer. So it's sort of this U1405. I'm gonna open that. Hopefully it will open up. It cannot be open. Okay, let's just drag it to desktop. before we open it up. Hopefully it works. There we are. As you can see, it's open up right here, and it's contacting Get server, and it's successfully connected to the server, so therefore you have access to anonymous internet. And just exit that. So yeah, and this lock means that it's secure. So I will look into Bank Zak Ondi, which is a Polish bank, on how to verify a card with PayPal once this comes in the post. The deep web is the place to go for that. Now, you guys looking to get onto the Tor network, that is pretty simple. What we need to do is you need to go to Tor project. Torproject.org allows you to go and I've already got it. So I'm just gonna open up the Tor browser. So once it's done, you just click the Start Tor browser, and your Tor browser should open up. So it's like connected to the Tor network. This is a proxy within a proxy. This cannot detect where you are. FBI can't track you down. The feds won't come looking for you. So it's successfully connected to the Tor network, and you've got the Tor browser opened up here. Now what you can do, if you start in the deep .web, if you search that up, just search it up. Just go on Google first. Just prepare that to connect. Free. Let's just search that over here. Just click this. This is just the surface of the darknet, so anyone can access this website easily. You just have to enter this stuff to access the website, to make sure that you're not a robot. Click not now for this. And you have access to what's going on about what's going on in the deep web. Now, the Google for the darknet is this: Grams. Grams is the most popular darknet market finder, and it works on an Onion site, so it's completely untraceable, and you can search whatever you want. So if you click on this, we should be able to connect to the Grams webpage. Here we are, and results will come up, and you can look at how much the cannabis is, the price in bitcoins, and you can set the currency. So instead of bitcoins, you can go GBP, Great British Pound Sterling, and you can see how much it is there. So this pack of 5 seeds is only 20 quid. So these are just seeds of marijuana, cannabis. You can even search for VCC. So if you click VCC over here, you can get your own virtual credit card. So yeah, this is how to create VCCs and stuff. This is a sort of a tutorial in itself. So this price for this tutorial is £20. You can pay for that if you want to. You can have to create unlimited VCC for free, and The important one is the Polish VCC visa with own IBAN. Darknet is a very dangerous place. You want to make sure you're off FBI's back. But yeah, you can put ads if you own a business on this, so you can put ads on darknet ads saying you sell random stuff. But yeah, there's a lot of things over here. Like you can search for hacks and you'll get tutorials on how to hack emails, Facebook accounts, Amazon accounts, Netflix accounts. Everything's all here. These are the market availability statuses on the deep web. So in this case, the best one at the moment, we need to sign up for this whole Alpha Bay market thing, and I should get you on that. So let's sign you up for the Alpha Bay. Hopefully this stuff does connect you soon. Plus Reddit is the best forum site for links, onion links to the darknet. So if you don't want to go on deep web, Reddit is the second place to go to. It's the most popular place. Looks like it's not loading up, so we'll just leave it. Just leave it as it is. Go back to Gram, search for darknet, and yeah. So to receive transfers on PayPal, you create your VCC via. You have your PayPal VCC there, your CVC there, your expiry date there, and it will all work once it's connected to the PayPal account. So you have to-do lists to go to email and confirm it. So you can go over here, and it says, look, you've added a card to your PayPal account. Dear Steve Jobs, that I may receiving blah blah blah. It's added it successfully. And you go over to welcome to Nutella, or your PayPal account set up. You can confirm your email just right here. Just log in. Oh, this password's not working. Okay, let's just put one in there. Yep, continue. Different safety questions. Middle name of my father is Timmy. And yeah, you can pay with your bank account if you want to, so I'll get back on this later, but yeah, you can go to your account and you can carry on with whatever you do on PayPal. You're all basically set. So your card has been linked, so you can see it's a MasterCard. Go to bank account and cards. See, your MasterCard has been linked, and it's linked to whatever this is. So debt collectors won't be coming to you if